Scenes of destruction in Nepal, after days of heavy monsoon rains triggered floods and landslides across the nation. Some areas saw over 30 centimeters of rainfall in one day. The disaster has left 190 people dead and over 100 injured, closed major roads, and damaged homes, schools, and businesses. As water levels rose, some residents took to the rooftops to escape. The country's capital, Kathmandu, was hit hardest. People wade through deep water, their homes caked with mud, while roads connecting the city to the rest of the country remained blocked by landslides. Many barely escaped with their lives, their belongings swept away. As rainfall began to slow on Sunday, rescue efforts got underway. Authorities have pulled dozens of bodies from vehicles buried under landslides and uncovered people trapped under rubble. At least 3,600 people have been rescued, but dozens remain missing. More than 5,000 police officers are involved in the efforts, using rafts and helicopters to reach people who need help.
Total as such 17 plus 14 भनेपछि 31 भयो आज. आज र हिजो गरेर total calculation 31 छ. 31 जना.
And people are cleaning up their houses and belongings. Deadly floods and landslides are common in Nepal during the monsoon season at this time of year, but experts say climate change has made for more extreme weather events. Some also blame the state of the country's infrastructure for the scale of the damage, as climate scientists have urged the government to make improvements to underground stormwater and sewage systems. But for now, authorities are focused on this latest disaster and finding more survivors. Ryan Wu, Hank Su, and Cadence Quaranta for TaiwanPlus.